Looking for a way to get monthly pricing for EverWebinar? In this quick explanation, we'll show you how to find and understand EverWebinar's pricing options with some exclusive bonuses just for you, so stick around. Now, you might be wondering, is there a monthly plan for EverWebinar, or do you have to commit to the full year? The good news is, yes, EverWebinar does offer monthly pricing, but you'll need to know exactly how to access it. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. The first thing to know is that EverWebinar is a powerful webinar software. It helps you create automated webinars that run even when you're not around, making it a great tool for marketers, coaches, and businesses. But the pricing structure is something you need to understand before jumping in. Next thing, the monthly pricing option for EverWebinar is available, but it isn't always visible right away. Most people assume you have to sign up for their annual plan, but you can access the monthly payment plan when you go through the checkout process. EverWebinar's monthly pricing starts at $99 per month, which gives you full access to the software's key features like automated webinar creation, customizable landing pages, and integration with email marketing tools. This is perfect if you're just testing the waters, or if you don't want to commit to an entire year. The fourth thing you should know is that there's also a discount if you decide to commit to a full year. If you pay annually, it reduces the monthly price to about $41 per month. But if you want the flexibility of paying month to month, that's still a great option and doesn't require a long-term contract. And now, here's something you'll want to stick around for. You can actually try EverWebinar for free. That's right, you can access a free trial through the first link below, which gives you a chance to explore all of EverWebinar's features before making a decision on monthly pricing. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses when you sign up through that link. So, to sum up, EverWebinar offers a monthly pricing option starting at $99 per month, with discounts available for annual commitments. You can easily access the monthly plan during checkout, and if you want to try before you buy, there's an extended free trial waiting for you with exclusive bonuses. Remember, you don't have to lock yourself into an annual commitment right away. Monthly pricing is available. If you're still wondering whether EverWebinar is the right choice for your webinars, why not take advantage of the free trial? Just click the link below to get started with your exclusive bonuses and start creating automated webinars today. And that's all for today's quick explanation on how to get monthly pricing for EverWebinar. Make sure to check the first link in the description for your free trial and bonus access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.